Hey guys, it's your girl Kaci Valentine back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a video on it's going to be basically like a tutorial or a review basically on this Aztec clay mask, which I basically, the way I did it with my hair is I paired it with the Shea Moisture hair mask and some Aloe Vera. So yeah, I'm gonna get into the video. Basically, I feel like this is really good for like, say your hair is really dry, you haven't been taking good care of your hair. This will definitely like bring your hair back to life, because my hair was not looking good for a few days, and I also recently straightened it, and I feel like this treatment brought my hair back to life. I highly recommend this. Unfortunately, I did not have a before image of what my hair looked like. I really wish I did, because y'all, it is a big difference, like seriously. But yeah, I suggest this for like, you know, you have dry hair's not curling, it's just not acting right, you want to bring that life back to your hair. Keep watching this video because I'm putting on, okay? Alright, hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Okay, so for this video I use my Aztec clay mask. Yes, it's usually used for your face, but you can use it on your hair too. I use my Aloe Vera, my Shea Moisture mask. It has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar, all things good for your hair. And then I also have my Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I started off with my hair parted into 6 sections. I combed it out already. I sprayed it with water and just combed it out. And then I just began applying the clay mask, which I mixed with aloe vera and apple cider vinegar. And I did start applying it with my hands, but because it was so liquidy, I ended up just dipping my hair into the cup and just applying it to my roots and the rest of my hair. And basically what I'm doing is just raking it through to make sure it gets on all of my hair, because you really just want to make sure it's coated. I just part my hair off into a section, and then I just do the same thing with my other sections of my hair. I know I look really goofy right here, but I had like just a little bit left, and I don't know, I just started pouring it in my scalp and rubbing it in, and I had like a little bit left at the bottom that was actually a lot thicker, and I just put it on my ends and my roots, and you just wait for it to dry, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like after I've washed out all of the clay mask. And next we're going to be moving on to the deep conditioning process. So I have my Shea Moisture hair mask, my egg, and aloe vera. I mix it all together, and this is what the consistency should look like once you've mixed it all together. And I'm just going to start applying it the same way I applied the clay mask. Just rake it through, make sure you fully coat the hair, and then I just section it off with a twist. Okay, I'm just finishing up applying the hair mask and conditioner. After this, we're just going to wait for 30 minutes. I'm going to rinse it out, comb it out, and come back to you and show you how I apply my leave-in conditioner. Okay, so it's basically the same thing as I've done before. Each section, I just rake it through and try to fully coat it. Okay, so I finished applying the leave-in conditioner, and I just really love doing this because my curls are just way more defined than they were before. My hair feels super moisturized and just lively. Hope you guys enjoyed.